Nirali and you are watching Findos. In my last video, I had discussed about stock split and its impact on stock market. If you have not watched that video, then please watch it. Link is given in the description box. So, today we are going to discuss about the opposite of stock split, that is reverse stock split. Now, what do you understand by reverse stock split? In stock split, we have seen an example that if you have a share of 100 rupees, it gets divided into two shares 50 rupees each. But what happens in stock split? In stock split, two shares of 50 rupees gets consolidated or it gets merged into one stock of 100 rupees. So, we say that reverse stock split is opposite to stock split. Now, let us understand reverse stock split in more detail. What do you understand by reverse stock split? Reverse stock split is a corporate action undertaken by a company in order to increase the share price of the company artificially. It includes consolidation of or merging of share which is of lower share price in order to increase the share price of the company, thereby reducing the quantity traded in stock market. Now, what happens when you merge the shares? When you merge 4 shares into 2 shares, then what happens? Your share traded in stock market is only 2. First we were having 4. Now after reverse stock split you are having only 2 shares. So what happened? The liquidity reduced. In stock split what happened? Liquidity increased because you are increasing the share. You are dividing the share. You are splitting the shares. But in reverse stock split, or we can also say stock merge. In stock merge you are consolidating the share. When you are consolidating a share, the quantity reduces. The quantity which we are trading in stock market reduces. Okay, this is reverse stock split. Now, why company goes for reverse stock split? What is the benefit? So the first thing I like to clear is the value of the stock, the value of the stock shareholders remains same. The value remains same, only the share price increases and the quantity decreases. That's the only difference. It neither affects the profitability of the company. There is no positive impact or no negative impact in the valuation of the company. Everything is just same. It is just that we are reducing the quantity and increasing the share price of the company. Now you might be thinking that why company goes for stock split, reverse stock split? Why? What is the benefit? If it is not increasing or decreasing the value, then why company is going for reverse stock split? Now I like to tell you that, for example, there is a share whose share price is continuously reducing. So if I purchase a share at IPO which was of 50 rupees and which went down to 10 rupees, so what will happen? People will lose trust. People will not buy those shares, right? So what this company do? This company merge the share in order to show that yes, our company's price is high. After merging the stock, the share price increases, right? And one more thing, that in stock market there is a limit. There is a minimum share price which has to be there in order to sustain in stock market, or else the stock market will remove the stock from stock market. You won't be able to trade in that stock. So the company's share will get removed if the share price is low from certain level. So in order to sustain in stock market, in order to do that, the company, the management takes a decision of doing reverse stock split in order to increase the share price of the company artificially, but the liquidity goes for a toss. Liquidity reduces like anything. Okay, so this is the impact. And one more thing, that foreign institutional investors often buy stock which are of whose share price is very high. Whose share price is high, they invest in those kind of stocks. So if you go for reverse stock split, your share price will increase, which will attract the foreign institutional investors and huge investments. So this is one of the reasons why company goes for stock split. And normally company goes for stock split when they are in distress. When they are in stress, the company goes for stock split. So often often people sell those shares after stock split, reverse stock split. They don't trust them. So there are many reasons. You need to study before taking any decision that why company is doing reverse stock split. Okay, now let us see what is the impact of reverse stock split on stock market. So as I already discussed that the share price increases artificially, but the liquidity reduces. And over a period of time, the share price also reduces at certain level, because when company undergoes reverse stock split, people often don't find those stocks very attractive and they don't invest in those stocks. But I will again tell you that before taking such decision, you should always study about the stock, always study that why management is going through it, and you should also see the fundamentals of the stock. If the stock is fundamentally strong and then also they are going for reverse stock split, then you should not take such decision that you will not invest. Maybe they are doing reverse stock split for some another reason, in order to attack foreign institutional investors. So you should always study before taking any decision on reverse stock split. So this was all about reverse stock split. If you like my video, please click on like button, please subscribe to my channel, and please do click on the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my upcoming videos, so that you do not miss any video of mine. Thank you so much for watching my video.